welcome. You are here and you are safe. This time is just for you to breathe, to release, to come back to calm. Gently close your eyes and take a long, deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body sitting or lying down. Let the ground hold you. You don't need to hold anything right now. Breathe in and feel your belly expand. Breathe out and allow your shoulders to drop. Let everything begin to soften. There is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to control. Right now, you simply breathe. Now, repeat after me. I am safe in this moment. I am allowed to let go. It is safe for me to relax. Your breath flow naturally. Inhale and exhale like waves moving in and out. Feel the weight of your body sinking gently into the earth. With every breath, you release a little more. Release the tension in your face, your jaw, your neck. Soften your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Let your chest open. Let your belly soften. Let your legs become heavy and still. Each breath is washing away stress, washing away fear, washing away the pressure you've been carrying. Now, imagine a peaceful light surrounding you. It could be soft blue, gentle white, warm golden. This light is calm. This light is peace, and it is holding you. You are safe here. You are protected here. You are deeply supported here. As you breathe, repeat after me. I release all tension from my body. I release all fear from my mind. I release all pressure from my heart. I am calm. I am supported. I am at peace. Let these words settle into your being, like seeds planting calm into your soul. Now, imagine yourself walking barefoot on soft grass. You hear birds singing. You feel a light breeze on your skin. There is a gentle stream nearby. You are surrounded by nature, safe, quiet, peaceful. You sit under a tree, strong, still, steady. You lean your back against it and feel your breath begin to match the rhythm of the earth. You are grounding now. You are calming now. You are healing now. I let go of what I cannot control. I choose to feel peace within. I trust the process of life. My breath is my anchor. Right now, I am okay. Take a few more soft, steady breaths. Feel the gentle rhythm of life moving through you. Feel the safety of this moment. Feel the peace you've created inside yourself. Now slowly begin to return to the room. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Gently stretch your arms and shoulders. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel your body grounded and calm. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You are still. You are safe. You are peaceful. You are home.